Hi guys, my name is Isabella and today I will be showing you how to make basic slime. I have not ever tried this, so if I fail, then please don't be upset at me. I hope you enjoy the video, like and comment down below, and subscribe of course. Let's get started. Today I will be doing two types of slimes. They both have the same ingredients except for one has a different ingredient. So if you want to do the second slime, I suggest you skip forward a little. If you want to do the first, then continue watching. Anyways, so for today's first slime, you will need something to mix in. I'm using a measuring cup. You can use anything. You will also need something to mix with. I'm using a spoon. You can still use anything. And then for the two ingredients in this slime, you need liquid hand soap. I'm using tropical coconut scent. You can use any hand soap. And for the second ingredient, most people have this because their moms own it or they just have it. I will be using glossing polish. You can get this at Sally's and you can get the hand soap at the Dollar Tree. Anyways, let's get started. Okay, so you will need to grab your container that you are going to mix in and your liquid hand soap and pour about how much slime you want, because this is how much slime you will have. I'm going to be pouring up to the line right here. There's a line around it. Then again, this is how much slime you have, so feel free to put as much as you want. Okay, well, I filled it up to the line right there. The next thing you will need to do is grab your glossing polish, open it up, and pour about a teaspoon in. If you put a lot of slime, about a teaspoon and a half. I have my teaspoon. Now I'm pouring it in. You want to get all of it in. Okay, I will be back as soon as I wipe off the spoon. Okay, I'm back. So now, after you do that, you will mix it in. And you will notice it'll start to get stretchy, a bit stretchy, and start to stick together. To get a close-up on this, I will face the camera via. Mix it well. See how it's getting bunchy? That's what you want. Keep mixing until you notice it starts to get together, like in one place, and it's sticky enough that it's almost looking like slime. To test it out, my finger is clean. I'm touching it right now. My finger is a little bit glossy from the glossy polish, but yeah. So, anyways, the last step to make this slime is you will need to put it in the fridge for 2 minutes. I will be back after it is in there for 2 minutes. So, bye. While the first slime is in the fridge, I will be showing you how to do the second slime. So for this slime, you will need something to mix in, something to mix with, and you will need liquid hand soap. Then again, I'm using this kind. Also need glossy polish again. Then again, I'm also using that kind. But you will need sugar. I am using Clear Value sugar. You can buy this almost anywhere, so to begin, you will take your liquid hand soap. Then again, this is how much slime you have. So I'm going to fill it up a little. Since you can see it because it's clear, you might want to look down there to see how much I put in if you want to do exactly the same amount.
In that case, this should be easy to clear up. Will you authorize a DNA swab? Absolutely.
Okay, well, I filled it up. As you can see again, it is already sticky down to the bottom. But it is messy.
How many children have you had who fought to death with their attackers? You have to appreciate how much that compounds the trauma of a sexual assault. You have to appreciate that this is an open...
Sorry about that, someone texted, so yeah. Anyways, the next step is you'll need your glossing polish again. Like I said the first time, you want to have at least a spoonful.
I can listen to everything you have to say. Who the hell are you? I'm a psychiatrist.
Look.
Anyways, I will be back after I'm back. Anyways, you will be mixing that nice and until it starts to stick again. Sticking again. And lastly, you will take your sugar and you will put a teaspoon in. 1 teaspoon. It has like the mark that happens when you put something like salt or sugar in it. That is good. Now what you want to do is mix that, and it'll start to get like clumpy, and that is a sign that it is almost done. Now it's slimy already. I will touch it, my finger is clean. And it is still slimy like the last one. Anyways, now I'm going to go back to the first slime to show you how it looks now after it's been in there for about 2 minutes. And I'm going to put that in exchange. So I will be right back. Okay, I have the first slime. I'm going to mix it again. And as you see, it is actually now a little clump ball at the bottom, and it is very sticky and gooey. It looks gooey and sticky. Now let's see. I'm going to touch it and see just exactly how sticky and gooey it is. Okay, my finger, let me wipe off my finger just to show you that my finger is perfectly clean, am I right? I'm touching the slime right now. And my finger is not wet, it's just a little bit glossy. Let me show you a good view of it. Well, this is the slime. and I am touching it, and it is very gooey, and that's good, because that's what slime is. Now, I don't know if you can pick this slime up because, like I said earlier, this is my first time making this kind of slime. Now, I will try to pick it up, but if you can't pick it up, then just enjoy touching it. I can't do anything about it. Well, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to mix it a little bit more before I pick it up. So I want it to get that kind of clumpiness again. Okay.
You fractured one of my partner's ribs. I'm sorry. Assaulting a police officer is a very serious offense. We're trying to protect our brother. We weren't there to hurt him, Lindsay. Your brother is a victim of a crime. Who was it?
Okay, well, it is.
You were on the roof with him? No. I was alone.
It is not that grabbable. It's fun to grab it, but it's not that grabbable. So I will be back as soon as I wash my hands. I just finished washing my hands. Anyways, this is very cool slime, but as you can see, it's not very grabbable. It's touchable, but not grabbable. It's very difficult to grab it and maintain it. But as you can see, it is slime. So this wasn't a complete fail. And I will be subscribing to other people's videos and channels if they subscribe to mine, and write their comments down below. If you have any other suggestions on slime to make, I would love that, or any suggestions on any kind of videos to make. Thank you. Now, to finish this video, I will be showing you how to make how the other slime looks right now. So let's see. Okay, well, here's this slime, and it is a little bit less chunky than the other one. Isn't the best, but I don't know. I will be trying to touch this slime too. Okay, first let me show you. My finger is beautifully clean. Now I'm going to touch the slime.
We got a statement yet? Close. Channeled it through his sister, but can't admit that it happened to him.
It was sodomized. He's hung up on it.
But does he realize he could be charged with murder? Everyone knows this was self-defense. But if he used more force than necessary, it's involuntary manslaughter.
Okay, well, it's still a little bit glossy, but it is cool. And like I did to the first one, I will show you if it is touchable.
I can't say they're at risk, but there are several.
Let's see.
You're asking me to subpoena for fishing expedition. I need specifics. I can't tell you. I can't help you.
Well, just like the first one, it's not really touchable. It's actually a little bit too slimy. So I will go wash my hands, and I will be back in a second. So exactly like the first one, it is not grabbable, but it is very cool to touch. So I suggest this to you. And if you didn't watch the first one, then I'm going to say it again. I hope you like and comment and subscribe. And if you subscribe to my channel, comment something nice, and I will go to your channels or channel and subscribe and comment on yours. Hope you enjoyed the video. Comment down below other suggestions of videos I should make. Thank you, and bye.